Rahim, October 16, variant 43, question number 5, topic is a whole levels probability. We have a spinner, okay, we can see here, we have a 3 fours, okay, 3 fours we have, and 1, 3, 8, and then 5 and 6. Okay, so this is clear. Alright, he said probability that he spin, let me read exact wording. Is a number of spinner mentioned, as person, let's spin the spinner twice. One time she spins, it stops somewhere, record the number, again spins, record the stop the number, and then what happened? Then note the both numbers, okay? He said that both numbers land on 8. So we have 1 8 because very clearly 1 8. So chance of the first number land on 8 is 1 out of 8. Reason 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total options we have are 8. So what is chance of, because we have 1 8 only. So 1 out of 8 times 2, second number also land on 8. So how many 8? Again 1 by 8. It will behave like a with replacement. Why sir? Can I spin and I got 8 spores? Can I rub the 8 from the spinner? No. So 8 still there exists, so 1 8 only. So it means I spin 1 time, I spin 2 times, I spin 100 times. So probability of 8 remains same. So answer is coming 1 over 64. That's it, first part is over. Both numbers are not 8. I can do this question in 2 techniques, 2 ways. So one is 1 minus that, okay. So it means 1 minus 8 and 8. So 1 by 64, answer is coming 63 by 64. I have one way is this one. Second way we have another one if you like it. What the other way, if you look at carefully, except this number 8. How many numbers are not 8? Please count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means 7 by, wait a minute please. I think we can do it this way. I better do the other way. Yes, please. Not 8 and not 8. How many not 8 we have? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 numbers are not 8. So 7 by 8. Again 7 by 8. So answer is coming 49 by 64. So this is a way to handle. Repeat again. We have a 8. 8 number is 1 and not 8s are there 7. So total are 8. So I can say that 7 by 8 one time and again 7 by 8 second time. Very clear. Let's go for the other one. So when you say that is clear, one odd number and one even number. One odd number and one even number. Wait a minute. One odd number and one even number. Okay, so listen now here, one correction is there. Because in this way, we will not get a single even 8 even, okay? So, but he said that both not 8 is not required. Both not 8. And this is a both 8 are there. And he said, no, both 8 not required. 1 8 can come there. But in this way, not a single 8 will come. So that is why we should not go this way. It means I will go for the other way. Other way is what? Other way is 1 minus 8 and 8. And 8 and 8 we have this option. So there is already 1 by 64. So answer coming 63 by 64. Imagine he says not a single 8 should come. Not a single 8. Then it was correct which I rubbed. Okay. But now he said both 8 not required. Okay, come back. One number even and one number odd. We have 2 options. First number land on even, second number land on odd. Or first number land on odd and second number land on even. So let's talk about how we can get this answer. So look here, even numbers. So even numbers, let me make a plan like this. How many even numbers? Let's count and odd numbers count. Even numbers 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are even. And odds are naturally 3 because 3, this one. So it is clear. And total are how many? 8. So if I ask what is the chance of the even number, you say sir 5 are even number. So 5 by 8 into odd numbers is a 3 by 8. And vice versa, so reverse. So 3 by 8 into 5 by 8. So answer is coming here 15 by 32. 15 by 32. Okay. Now he said total of the two numbers is at least 30. Here you have to listen to me very carefully. He said what at least word. I oftenly given an idea. Your father says at least 50 marks. So 50 marks and above. So when I say at least 15 total, total should be at least 13. At least 13 means 13 and 14 and higher totals. So let's see, problem is only if I add 3 plus 4, I get 7. 4 plus 5, I get 9. So 5 plus 6, I get 11. So 6 plus 4, we got 14. So only one possibility we have, and I don't have above an addition. So total is coming only, how many total we have? 7, 9, and 10, and 11, and 13. Okay? 6 plus 8 become 14. 13 is not there, sorry. So what is total? Okay? So 6 come before and 8 come later, or 8 come before, 6 come later. Okay? And if I add them, what answer comes? So 6 and 8. Okay, so 13 and 8 plus 5 give you 13 as well. So we have a 4 option. So we can say that 6, 8 and 8, 6. One option. And 5 plus 8 is 13 and 8 plus 5 is 13. So we have 13, 8 and 8. Yes, we have possibility, correct. So we, for example, 8 land twice. So look here, 8 and 5. And one more option we have, 8 and 8. So let's see how many options you have. Okay, so we have this 5 options, 6, 8, 8, 6, 5, 8, 8, 5, and 8, 8. So we check it all. This gives you total how much? Total of 14. Total of 14. Total of 13. Total of 13. And total of 16. And all he said at least 13. So if I add them, get 13 and above 13. So let's see how we can answer. So how many 6 we have? 1 only. So 1 out of 8. How many 8? Again 1. Out of a 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. And how many 5? We have 2 5s. 2 by 8. How many 8? 1 8 is there. Okay. Same story here. Okay. 1 is a 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. Okay. And I can do another way even. Why? Because they are same. 8, 6 and 6, 8, order change only. So this number into 2. And this is same only, so this number into 2. Shortcut, this into 2, this into 2, and plus this. And answer is coming 7 by 64. I think very clear. Okay, so this is a total clear. This is a little tricky. Question is saying here, second number is bigger than first number. Okay, so let's start with question. How we can do it? For example, first number lands on second number is bigger. So second number is here. Okay. So let's say second number is bigger. So let's say first number is third and second number is 4. Satisfying the condition. Right? First number stops on 3 and second number stops on 4. Can satisfy the condition. Okay. Second we have possibility first number stop on 3 and the second number stop on 4, 5. Then 3 and 6. Then 3 and 8. So I think we have this many options with 3. Okay, with 3. So because every first number is smaller, second number is bigger than the first number. So let's decide this one answer. So what is the 3? How many 3's we have? 1 3 only. So 1 by 8 times 2. And how many 4's we have? 1 2 3, 3 by 8. And similarly here 1 by 8. And how many 5's? 2 by 8. And here again 1 by 8. How many 6? 1 by 8. And 3, 8 is what option we have? So 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. I can do another shortcut technique even, but I think it will confuse otherwise. How confuse? This is a smaller than all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can say shortcut of this. Shortcut of this what? 1 by 8 into 7 by 8. Okay, reason? Because check 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, and 7. So this all if you add, because you see 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 common out. When a common out goes outside, what left inside? These